That's it, comfortable. And gently close your eyes. The palm can put on the knee like this, or just palm up. And gently inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now, gently open your eyes. We go with simple twist. Bring your right leg over left leg. Bring right. Inhale, left hand. Crease your left elbow to press the right knee and twist to the right side. Try to don't raise your hip one side. Hip sit on the mat. Just stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, raise your left hand up to the ceiling. Exhale, release. Then now we change. Do over this. Left leg cross over the right foot. And slowly inhale, raise your right hand up to the ceiling. Press the right knee and twist to the right, to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale, raise your right hand up the ceiling, and exhale, release. Now we go with the cat and cow. From here, the knee apart, one arm here. Try to stay stable, square your body. Let's stay here. Inhale, press your arm down, open your chest and look up. Exhale, chin to the chest, look at your belly. One more time, inhale, look up. Press it down. Exhale, chin to your chest, round your back. Inhale, look up, open the chest. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, press down, open the chest, look up. Exhale, round your back, look at your belly. Inhale, one more time, look up. Press down, open your chest. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, press your hand down, look up. Exhale, round your back. And from here, we go with the downward dog. Press your heel and go to downward dog. Press heel down more and lengthening your spine. Just stay here. You can close your eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly the knee down, sit on diamond pose. Yes, with a few posture, we will have our liver more healthy. Now, we left few more posture on knee. Now on knee, 2 more posture have to go. You go with the frog pose. Try to open the knee apart first. Since that, knee apart. And from here, if your knee very here, from here, right? The knee apart. And try to square. The same, we do the same frog like this. Square your hip. Yeah. Square your hip. And try from here. Bend down your elbow. Yes. And just stay here. If you want, it's a frog pose. If you can drop your chest down. Enjoy the stretching here, frog pose here. Let's stay here for a few seconds. If you want to more get stretching, you can shift the lower behind. If the mat too little for you, you go to this way. The scene start. I share with you. Open more the knee. Open wider, as much you can. Yes. And square it. Yes, square this way is okay. Just stay here. If you feel you want more, lower down. Yes. Tuck in your core strongly and firmly. Stay here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, slowly bring your heel together behind and slowly bring your body back and bring your heel together. Sit to diamond pose. Then now we go with the last posture. Have both your liver more healthy. We will go with the shoulder stand and behind is just lie down on the mat first. From here, slowly inhale. Raise your hand up over the head and leg up 90 degrees. Exhale, the hand down and slowly with the hand support. Raise the leg up, shoulder stand, and from shoulder stand, you bring over the head and drop it down on the floor if you can. Yes. And stretch your hand, or else you can pump your hand together to deeper stretching here. If too much difficult for you, just stay here. Yes, just lift your hand like this and straighten your leg. Just stay here for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly bring your body go down with the hand support. Gently go down. Finish the 6 posture today for both our liver. Very good. Now you can lie down on the mat like this. Just take some short breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And now slowly turn the hand over the head. Turn to the right side with the hand support. Sit up the position. Chin start. Then slowly, gently stand. Open your palm. Put up to the knee, or else you can flick your hand like this. Your eyes seem closed. With inhale, deep exhale. Inhale, exhale. And that round, inhale and exhale. Namaste everyone. Thank you for joining me the class today, and I hope you enjoy it. Try to practice often and regular for help our liver better. And I see you in next video. See you.